What's up, everybody? I'm back. Johnny Mags from Johnny Mags Barbecue and Pit Life Barbecue. What is going on? Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. As you can see, it's friggin' cold. But, as I have said thousands of times before, it's always grilling season, baby. So, I know I've been gone, been busy at the post office with the Christmas rush and everything since Thanksgiving, so I haven't had a video posted in at least a couple weeks, at least 3 anyway. But thank you all for sticking by me. Actually got a couple new subscribers, so thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. But figured I'll hop on real quick. Just do some quick chicken legs on the kettle with the Vortex. And as you can see behind me, we got quite a bit of weather going on right now. Let me move my fat ass out of the way for you. We've already had about just under 3 feet the other day. And as we can see right across there, we have the frozen lake, living the lake life up here. But we got the kettle out. We got the coals going. Let's fire these bad boys up. Let's get this chicken on. Let's get rolling. Stick around. All right, gang, we got the Vortex rolling. We got them all seasoned up with some Uncle Steve's Original. So let's get these. Oh, shit. Sorry. I don't know where my Weber tongs are. They disappeared, so Mrs. Mags must have hit them somewhere. So let's get these on. I don't even know what the temperature is out here. I know it's cold though. Which, hey, it's all right. New England, this is what we do. This is what happens in December, winter in New England. And yeah, so we got a couple more. There's another tray here somewhere. Well, look at that. There's my motorcycle. Excuse the mess of the garage. Yeah, we got another tray right there. So we'll get a couple more of these bad boys on. Looks like we're doing 2 rounds. But hey, stick around. We'll bring it back. Walking in a winter wonderland, baby. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All right, guys. Obviously, it's gotten dark pretty damn quick. But these bad boys are pretty much done. So let me get these off, get the next batch rolled in, and of course, we're gonna give you the old taste test. It wouldn't be the same if I don't burn my fucking mouth. So stick around. We'll be right on back. Ooh, nice and warm up here. A lot warmer than down there. Thank God for that little fireplace. Piping the heat. But, oh yeah, guys, we got done. Let's give it a quick. There we go. They look phenomenal. They smell phenomenal. So let's go for the burn test. I mean the taste test. But, man, the Vortex, man. Look at that. Look at that. That is friggin' tremendous. So, cheers. Not quite bite through, but man, that is good. That Uncle Steve shake, the original. That hurts. So good though. But I gotta give you what you want. My pain is your pleasure, right? Damn, man, that's good. All right, one more. Awesome. Awesome. Like I said, if you haven't tried Uncle Steve's Shake, get you some. You will not be disappointed. But thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate yous all. And it's been a fucked up year, but hey, it's Christmas. Enjoy it however we can. Be safe. And that's it. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Stay safe. Be happy. And we just keep on trucking. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Till next time, keep the smoke rolling.